Yeah, through the phone you can see it coming down a little bit, but it's really thin because it's the wind. Yeah.
Not much to do with that.
So my dad said it's gonna get worse and worse and worse for us, for him too. 18 to 24 he is here, they said, for the snow. Maybe some local areas can get plus.
Yeah.
24 plus inches. They say this afternoon and late morning, more time progresses, it get worse. Did you see Courtney this morning?
No.
No. Well, who was there?
Another lady I never seen.
Another lady?
Before. But then there was the same girl that was there.
Yeah.
But I didn't see anybody. I just saw a new person. I never saw her before.
Big or skinny?
No, pretty skinny.
Yeah. She decent?
She was.
Yeah. That's good. That's good. I got water for free. That's cool.
That is.
Tosh said sometimes sometimes Roman Joe's does that too. Certain girl. The one girl
Well, hell, they
Yeah.
they even sometimes they give me other guys.
Yeah.
Stuff. Oh, they,
that girl gives it to me free.
which doesn't make sense.
No.
Because
She gave me free coffee before one time.
no, that's why you want that shit.
Yeah.
When you give points like that.
But
fine.
she's making them pay now
There's
because she
somebody-
got her ass chewed.
Yeah, but somebody else that does that for free.
Somebody else does it now?
Yeah, I've heard of it. When they say, and they just ask for whatever they want, and they give you what they want. Like, dude,
What customer was that? Was those guys or someone else?
No, those guys.
Oh,
I've seen that before. I heard it.
had they give us something free? Those people?
No, if you're gonna walk in there and ask for a sausage, whatever the fuck it is.
Oh, yeah,
sausage
yeah.
biscuit. You're not gonna get a sausage biscuit.
No.
Very rarely.
We don't eat that anyways. There.
No, it doesn't taste good anyway.
No. I heard Roma Joe's. It does not taste that good.
I've tried
They
it.
say they used to sell sausage biscuit. I heard an advertisement in the morning, only for mornings only, but now you can do it all day. They're trying to do what McDonald's does all day.
So they have sausage egg McMuffin. Yeah.
Yeah. They don't do it all day though, because they cut that thing. But then Roman Joe's will say, "Hey, McDonald's did, so we should try it." We're a smaller company. Well, yeah. Well, a lot of people. How often do people go in there and ask for that? That at Roman Joe's, they don't order that usually because they don't like it. I heard it's the egg is extremely hard because it's all processed. They say they take over egg McMuffin any day than over that. And the price of that sausage muffin, whatever that thing is there, Roman Joe's, is more money than McDonald's.
They're doing something that I don't know what Dunkin' Donuts is doing. They have those egg things.
Yeah, but I heard those are nasty.
They're like Dunkin' Donuts is doing.
I heard Dunkin' Donuts is better.
Yeah.
Dunkin' Donuts is a lot better. But the price they're charging at Roman Joe's is more money than Dunkin' Donuts. Because they only have 90 locations. They don't have 9,000 locations like Dunkin' Donuts or 12,000. And plus, McDonald's charges cheaper on those because they have thousands of locations. They're global, just like Dunkin' Donuts. Roman Joe's is only from here, from Maine to Florida.
Right.
And we're in New Hampshire, so it's south. It goes southward. It's kind of like TD Bank branch is only on the northeast, but now they're starting to stretch into like Pennsylvania, eastern part. They're trying to stretch into Ohio. I heard they could open up in Ohio. They can open a branch, one or two of them. They can open a branch or two, one or two at Columbus. They said they made an announcement about that a while ago back. They're gonna try out with Columbus, Ohio. Well, they have a population of 925,000 now, so they'll support you. Cincinnati only has like 300 plus thousand. I don't know. You could do the big cities, but not the. I wouldn't do the small cities. I'll try Cleveland, Cincinnati, and Columbus. Cleveland is a little bigger than Cincinnati. They have 400,000. You can try it with them.